Okay, so we're going to be truing the wheel. You want to make sure you bring this down very, very slowly, with the motor running at very low RPM while you determine the height of the wheel, or you'll take a big bite and you'll ruin your wheel. Once you get the wheel down to the right height, you can bring it in until it just starts to engage the grinding wheel. Feed it back and forth across the wheel. Now it's really a good idea to have a dial indicator working for you in this case. You can put the dial indicator right here. Sit up against the bottom of the slider, so you can get an idea how you're feeding. So I lowered it 1,000, and we'll bring this across again. 1,000 is plenty. Okay, so we're going to lower this again. We're going to bring down another 1,000. Keep it snug. It's very important you have everything tight, or the wheels will take off on you. So you just bring this across the wheel. It should pick this up. Okay, so we worn off more than 1,000 that time. So we'll come down another 1,000. A couple of 1,000. Bring the wheel in slowly. Just picking up the grinding wheel. Oh, we'll go a little more. Go another couple of 1,000s. Bring them in slowly. Oh, looks like we ground some off that time. So. There we go, we're picking them up. Okay. So bring them back, so now we'll take a couple of 1,000s.